Okay, so here's the egg harvester. I think there's gonna be 2 chickens in there. Hello, ladies. Okay, so here's what this thing looks like. Plywood. And then these are ripped 2x that are not full 2x4s.
Show me putting it back on.
Yeah, there you go. It just got a bucket and then a bungee cable. And this is just a little simple hole that latches onto. Okay, let's find one that doesn't have any chickens in it. Yep, they're in there. Okay. So here's all the pens. Must be a busy morning.
Yep. Also, I can reach around them. There's one that left. There's bedding in there. Hello, chicken. You just turned it upside down.
Here, open that back up. Open that back up. Okay. Anyway.
It should be higher, right?
Yeah.
There's an empty one, but no egg.
No eggs. Anyway. Okay.